Magandang everyone. Parang gano'n.
Asabi.
Food ko. OMG guys! Something came in the mail.
Hindi ba na makakat pa naman yan eh?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so
Nasaan tayo?
It's work week, Thursday, and we're in Makati today. Bakit ako nasa Makati? Hindi ko din alam. Yesterday, I was in Ortigas. I don't know how to go home. BCom, it says. Yeah. So, VA Rufino. I think that's not my way. So, I'm gonna go straight. Right path. Although, hindi ko alam where this is going. But I think this looks familiar. So, parang alam ko na siya. This way is going to Ayala Triangle. So, let's try to find my way going.